All right, when installing your rail blade on the TR3 E series, you'll notice there's a hole in it. You'll want your wheel facing upward. You'll slide it in, and then you'll slide your pin in after you line up the two holes, locking your linch pin, and then it's ready to go. Now, just remember that this was designed to go with your profile blades and the rest of your equipment based on a 2 to 3 inch grade. If you're going more or less on depth, you may have to take your grooming rods and your profile blade, your scarifiers out of the way, and just do your rail blade only. Now there is also a little pipe on the end. You can get a small fiberglass rod like you use to mark driveways for snow. Slide it down in there. You might put some tape on it to get it to wedge in tight, but slide it down in, and that'll give you a 3-foot eyesight on it rather than have to look down and see where the blade is at, and make it a little bit easier for you.